To install and run CoffeeScript on Visual Studio Code, VSCode for Windows, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. CoffeeScript is a programming language that compiles into JavaScript, providing a simpler syntax and adding useful features. Here's how to set it up. Installation steps. 1. CoffeeScript runs on Node.js, so you'll need to have it installed on your system. You can download the latest version of Node.js from the official website, Node.js downloads, nodejs.org/. 2. Install CoffeeScript. Once Node.js is installed, open the command prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. Use the following command to install CoffeeScript globally, npm install-g CoffeeScript. This command will install CoffeeScript globally on your system, allowing you to use it from any directory. 3. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code, code visualstudio.com/. Setting up Visual Studio Code for CoffeeScript. 1. Open Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. 2. Install CoffeeScript extension. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for CoffeeScript and install the CoffeeScript extension provided by VSCode CoffeeScript. Running CoffeeScript on Visual Studio Code. Now that you have CoffeeScript installed and configured in Visual Studio Code, you can start writing and running CoffeeScript code. 1. Create a CoffeeScript file. Using Visual Studio Code, create a new file with a .coffee extension. For example, app.coffee. 2. Write CoffeeScript code. Open the CoffeeScript file you created and write your CoffeeScript code. For example, CoffeeScript console.log hello world. 3. Compile and run CoffeeScript. In the terminal within Visual Studio Code, navigate to the directory containing your CoffeeScript file using the cd command. Compile your CoffeeScript file by running the command coffee-c app.coffee. This command compiles the CoffeeScript code into JavaScript. 4. View output. After compiling the CoffeeScript code, you'll see a new JavaScript file, app.js, in the same directory. You can then run the JavaScript file using Node.js to see the output, node-app.js. This will execute the JavaScript code compiled from your CoffeeScript file and display the output in the terminal. Conclusion. You've successfully installed and run CoffeeScript on Visual Studio Code for Windows. With CoffeeScript, you can now write JavaScript code more efficiently and with a cleaner syntax. Visual Studio Code provides an excellent environment for CoffeeScript development with features like syntax highlighting and code formatting. Enjoy coding with CoffeeScript on Visual Studio Code. That's it! You're now ready to start coding in CoffeeScript on Visual Studio Code for Windows. Happy coding! Subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!